Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting tools in place. Install Calibre, pick a USB cable, and save your files where you can find them. Connect your Kindle to the computer and set the device to file transfer so the computer mounts it like a drive. Once mounted, open Calibre and point it at your download folder to index files. This speeds the workflow and avoids duplicates. Make sure your Kindle has at least some free space, because transfers fail when storage is full. Now you focus on format and organization. In Calibre, add files and convert EPUB to MOBI or AZW3 so Kindle reads them natively. Conversion fixes layout and fonts. Edit metadata and covers so items sort correctly on the device, and apply tags or series info to keep your library tidy. Once done, select the books and use Send to Device, choose the device driver, and confirm the output format. Finish by safely ejecting the Kindle. That lets it finish writing and index the new content. Once you unplug, give the device a moment to rebuild the library, then open Home and check recent or the collections you used. If a title is missing or has garbled text, reconvert that file in Calibre to AZW3 or MOBI and resend. If problems persist, restart the Kindle, that clears temporary issues, and make sure the file isn't DRM protected, which will prevent loading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.